Why I upgraded to a tankless water heater in Queen Creek, Arizona, and why I chose Waterbucks LLC. Living in Arizona, I never thought much about hot water. We're not dealing with freezing winters or snow-covered driveways, but here's what we do use hot water for, and a lot of it: showers, baths, laundry, dishes, and cleaning. And in a busy household like mine, we use it nonstop. Lately, though, it felt like our old water heater just couldn't keep up. Some days the water would go lukewarm mid-shower. Other days it would take forever to heat up, which isn't ideal when you're rushing to get the kids out the door. That's when I started looking into tankless water heaters, and that search led me to Waterbucks LLC here in Queen Creek. From the first call, I could tell these guys knew their stuff. They were local, licensed, insured, and focused on quality work without the sales pitch. They walked me through the pros and cons, gave me an honest estimate, and didn't pressure me at all. Here's what sold me on going tankless: endless hot water, no more cold showers. Only heats when needed, so no more energy wasted on a giant tank all day. Compact design that freed up space in our garage. Lower utility bills and a longer lifespan than a traditional tank. The team from Waterbucks showed up on time, explained every step of the process, and handled the install quickly and cleanly. They even double-checked the settings to make sure everything was optimized for our water usage. Now, showers run hot every time. No waiting, no running out, no complaints. Whether we're washing up after yard work, running back-to-back laundry loads, or cleaning up after dinner, the hot water just keeps flowing. If you're in Queen Creek, Gilbert, Santan Valley, or Mesa, and you're considering upgrading your water heater, I 100% recommend Waterbucks LLC. They're honest, professional, and they do the job right the first time. Check them out at www.waterbucksaz.com and grab a free estimate. It's one of the best home upgrades I've made, and I only wish I'd done it sooner.